So to get a different background, you have to go out to Google, search for an image you want. I decided I want an Avengers image, and I decided I like this one right here. So I'm going to right click. I'm going to save the image as, and I'm going to call it Meme Avengers 1. Okay, and I'm saving it to my desktop. Now this is a Mac. Okay, I save it, and now I've got the file. So now I go start my meeting with Zoom, and right here, now this is on the desktop, so I cannot guarantee it's like this if you're using a phone or something, but over here by stop video, if you click on this arrow, it says choose a virtual background. So I choose my virtual background, and there's this plus sign right here, okay? You hit the plus sign, and it says add image. So I add an image, and I look for my files, and I called them Meme Avengers, and I have 2 of them that I did, so I open that, and there you go. It just pops up. Now, maybe let's see if this one looks better. I can stand in front of Captain America, and I can be with him. Okay, or maybe, that one kind of doesn't look as good as I was hoping. So I'm just going to be Captain America. So now I click out, and there I go. And you hit record on your, or you don't have to hit record, but this is me talking with the Avengers. That picture's pretty pixely. It's really not that great of a background, but hopefully that'll help you do this.